Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce PDF generation. We can generate PDFs on Visualforce pages with the render as attribute. This is a simple option and we don't need to write any direct JavaScript code to get it to work. Use the basic code provided in the column on the right to get Salesforce to render the content of a Visualforce page as a PDF. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, and to create the Visualforce page we need to click on setup gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab, click file, new, Visualforce page. Here I am creating the page by the name Visualforce PDF generation. Click OK. So in this page we are using standard controller account and record set where accounts. So apex page block title, we are taking list of all accounts, data table to display all accounts, page block table, value accounts, and we are creating a variable of this ACC. So apex column header value is account name, and we are creating a output link value slash in the opening curly brace exclamatory symbol ACC dot ID, account ID, then closing the curly brace and again opening curly brace exclamatory symbol account dot name, ACC name, ACC dot name means account name, then closing the output link, then apex column closing, then apex column acc.phone for phone, acc.industry for industry, and annual revenue field we are showing. Then closing the apex page block table respectively apex page block and apex page. Save this. So click on preview button. So now we are able to see this much of records: account name, phone, industry, and annual revenue. And in the account name this is linkable, means if we are clicking on this particular, it is going to redirect to that particular account. So like this. So again coming back to our developer console. So now if we need this all the records in a PDF file, so we have to add a render as PDF. Now we have to save this and click on preview button. So this file is converted into PDF. So as we are able to see only 2 records for now, but in the real time maybe it is going to like 100 or thousands of record, then it is easy to create the PDF, or we can directly print it as of our need. Thank you.